In today's video, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can record video call in Google Meet using just your phone. So we'll go ahead and click on Google Meet, and inside Google Meet, make sure to join the meeting with the link that you have. Now, after joining the meeting, what we are going to do is to screen record our screen. Whether you are using an iPhone or an Android phone, you can screen record your screen. So you scroll down, make sure to scroll down on your phone and head to the bottom. Over there at the bottom, you see, make sure to look for the screen recorder. And then you click on the screen recorder and then the audio at the same time so that you can capture both the screen or the video and the audio together. So if you have further questions, make sure to leave a comment and I will respond to them. So screen recording your meeting, you can save it to your gallery and then the audio will be saved to your voice memos. So make sure to look over there for it.